we already have a table here which is simple. I mean, it's users, or we can create another one here. We'll say user registration, register underscore user. Okay, this is the table, and we need to put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, total 10 records. 11 basically. The date we will also save the user, the registered date of the user. Okay, now just go there and say user underscore ID, user underscore name, user underscore pass, user underscore email, user underscore country, user underscore, let me check what is there, country, after the country, user number, user address, and the next is user gender. I am just keeping the names as simple as possible because for simplicity. And the next is birthday and image, user image, and the last will be register date. That's it. First is okay, second will be varchar, third will be varchar, this will be varchar, this will be text, this will be only numeric value. What? Only integer. It's fine. Your gender will be text, birthday will be date, user image will be text, and this registered date will be date but timestamp from here. And value you can add anything you want. If you don't want, then don't add, but I will keep just 100 up to 100 digits. To date and timestamp don't need anything. The first one will be just the user ID will be auto incremented, and we'll assign a primary key as well. Now save, and it has been created. You can see the structure here, that is it. Now come back to the source code registration form. Now we will write a query here, select underscore email is equal to, we'll say select all from register user, register underscore user, where user email is equal to user underscore email. That's it. Nice, simple. We can just first select whether the email is existing or not. Run email is equal to MySQL query and connection, and then select email. This MySQL query always needs two parameters. One is the connection, and then second is the variable that has the query. But we have not yet created the connection on this page. We will create that. It does not matter. But for now, I will say row underscore. I will just use a while loop. No, not while loop, just I'll say check underscore email, a new local variable, check underscore email. I will use MySQL I underscore num underscore rows function, which will return me all the the rows in the table that has. So I will just say now in the last if check email is equal to 1, if check email is equal to 0, if there is no email or there is not a user which has an email in that row, it will return 0. So at this point I will just then copy the above page and will paste it here. I will say this email is already registered. Try another one. Really nice and really simple. So for example, we will add some dummy data to this using the insert option. I will say name Abdul, password Wali Khan, and email I will add something like farishan@gmail.com, and any country number, address, and anything. Just go. Oh sorry, this is also integer. I need to change that's something else. Anyways, I've added the query here, you can see. So the email is registered already there. Now just if that email I enter using this form, it should return an error. For example, let me just say something here, and the email that I have in the database is this one. So I register. It's saying please select a password of 8 letters minimum. Oh my god, sorry, password should also be at least 8 characters. Now once again, this email is already registered, try another one. And there is some problem as well, undefined. Oh sorry, I need to make a connection as well at the top of the page. Basically anywhere I can make the connection, but I will just make it on the top. Like connection is equal to MySQLi connect localhost, comma, root is the user, where comma there is no password, and in the last I will say PHP is the database name, or die MySQL error. That's it. Okay, I don't need to add this die my. Now again refresh the page, and once again let me tell you something. Anyways, it's fine, working nice. Localhost, root connection, and things like that. This registered user, where user email is equal to that MySQLi number or run. Okay, fine, no problem. But at the same time, before inserting the data now into this, because we have a little bit validated it, but now before inserting into the database or the table, we will just a little bit make it secure. So for security purpose we cannot insert the data directly. So a little bit we will add some security to this form, and after that we will insert into this table in the database. So that all work we will do in next lecture, but for this I will tell you that in the simple PHP script we got the data in the local variables, and a little bit we actually validated the data using if statements, and now the final stage we can just secure the form, and then we can insert the data into the table. So see you in the next lecture.